Hi dear children, how's everything? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. It's me, your Divya ma'am. I will be your maths teacher in this year. A warm welcome to all my dear children to our maths class, especially for new faces. Children, today we are going to study about our first chapter, numbers. Our first chapter, numbers. Our chapter name, numbers. We already learned in our previous classes which are the 2-digit number, which are the 3-digit number, which are the 4-digit number. Okay, children, do you know which are the single-digit numbers? Which are the single-digit number? 1 to 9, including 0 also. These are the single-digit numbers. Then next one, 10 to 99. That means these are the 2-digit numbers. Then after 99, which will come? 100. 100 to 999. These are the 3-digit numbers. After 999, 1000. 1000 to 9999. These are the 4-digit numbers. Then we already learned in your previous classes single-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit numbers. But we can revise once again. Okay. Are we ready? You already learned which is the greatest single digit number, which is the greatest 2-digit number, which is the greatest 3-digit number, which is the greatest 4-digit number. Children, see here, which is the greatest single digit number? Okay, which is the greatest single digit number? 9. That means we already learned 1 to 9. These are the single digit numbers. 1 to 9. These are the single digit numbers. Then here which is the greatest single digit number? 9. Okay. Then after 9 which number will come? 10. Okay. 10 to 99, that is the 2-digit number. 10 to 99, that is the 2-digit number. Okay. That is the 2-digit number. Okay. Then here which is the greatest 2-digit number? Which is the greatest 2-digit number? It's correct. 99. 99. Then after 99 which number will get? 100. 100 to 999. 100 to 999. These are the 3-digit numbers. 100 to 999. These are the 3-digit numbers. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the 3-digit number. Then which is the greatest 3-digit numbers? Which is the greatest 3-digit numbers? 999. 999. Then which is the greatest 4-digit numbers? Which is the greatest 4-digit numbers? That means after 999 which number will come? After 999 which number will come? 1000. Which number? 1000. Okay. Then 1000 to 9999. These are the 4-digit numbers. These are the 4-digit numbers. Okay. These are the 4-digit numbers. Okay. These are the 4-digit numbers. Then which is the greatest 4-digit numbers? Which is the greatest 4-digit numbers? 9999. Once again, which is the greatest single digit number? Single digit number means 1 to 9. These are the single digit numbers. Here which is the greatest single digit number? 9. Clear? Then after 9 which number will come? 10. Here how many digits? 1, 2. Okay. Then 10 to 99. 10 to 99. These are the 2-digit numbers. Here which is the greatest 2-digit number? Which is the greatest 2-digit number? 99. After 99 which number will get? After 99, 100. Then 100 to 999. These are the 3-digit numbers. These are the 3-digit numbers. Then here, which is the greatest 3-digit numbers? Number which is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. Clear? Then after 999, which number will get? Which number? 1000. 1000. Then 1000 to 9999. These are the 4-digit numbers. These are the 4-digit numbers. Here, which is the greatest 4-digit numbers? Number 9999. Which are the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. Listen here. Greatest single digit number 9. Greatest 2-digit number 99. Greatest 3-digit number 999. Greatest 4-digit number 9999. Children, do you see this pattern? 9, 99, 999, 9999. Do you see this pattern? First we get single digit number, we get 9. Then next we want greatest 2-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number. Here we get 9929. Greatest 2-digit number we want. Then 29 we want to write here. That means 99. Clear to you? Then next one, greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. Here how many nines? 1, 2, 3. 3 9. That means 999. That means 999. Then next one, greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. That means 9999. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 9. Greatest 4-digit 4 9. That means 9999. Very simple. Okay, greatest single digit number 1 9. Greatest 2-digit number 2 9. That means 99. Greatest 3-digit number 3 9. That means 999. Greatest 4-digit number, how many 9? 4 9. That means 9999. I hope you understand this. Okay. Children, similarly you know about smallest single digit number. Which is the smallest single digit number? Okay. So which is the smallest single digit number? 1 to 9, these are the single digit number. You know, you already learned 9 is the greatest single digit number. Then which is the smallest single digit number? 1. Okay. 1 to 9, these are the smallest single digit number. 1 to 9, these are the smallest, these are the single digit number. Here 9 is the greatest single digit number. Then which is the smallest single digit number? 1. Okay. 1 is the smallest single digit number. Then which is the smallest 2-digit number? Which is the smallest 2-digit number? Here we already know about 2-digit number. That means after 9 we get which number? 10. Okay. Then after 9, 10. Then 10 to 99. These are the 2-digit numbers. Okay. 10 to 99. These are the 2-digit numbers. Then 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Then here which is the smallest 2-digit number? Which is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. Which is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. Okay. Then which is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. Then which is the smallest 3-digit number? After 99, which number will get? 100. 100. After 99, 100. 100 to 999. These are the 3-digit numbers. We know 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. Then 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. smallest 3-digit number. Clear? The next one, which are the 4-digit numbers? After 999 will come 1000. Okay, 1000. Then 1 followed by how many 3 zeros. Okay, then 1000 to 9999. Okay, 1000 to 9999. These are the 4-digit numbers. These are the 4-digit numbers. We know 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Then which is the smallest 4-digit number? Which is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. Okay, this is the smallest 4-digit numbers. Clear? Then see this pattern. Okay, which is the smallest single digit number? 1. Okay, which is the smallest single digit number? 1. Which is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. Which is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. Which is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. Then do you see this pattern? First 1, then 10, 100, 1000. Listen here. We want smallest single digit number, that is 1. We want smallest 2-digit number, means this 1 followed by 1 0. Okay, this 1 followed by 1 0. 2 digit we want, then 1 0 you want to write here. Clear? Then here which is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. That means we want smallest 3-digit number 1 followed by 2 0. You want 3 digit, but you can write here only 2 0. 1 followed by 2 0. Clear? Then you tell me which is the smallest 4-digit number. Listen here. We want single digit number 1. We want 2-digit number 1 followed by 1 0. We want smallest 3-digit number, that means 1 followed by 2 0. Then which is the smallest 4-digit number? That means 1 followed by 3 zeros. Okay, 1 followed by 3 0. You want 4 digit, but you can write here only 3 0. 1 followed by 3 0. Clear? I hope you understand this. Children, now you see the pattern. This pattern you see. Look here. See this pattern. 9 plus 1 equal to what? 9 plus 1. That means greatest single digit number. 9 is the greatest single digit number. That means greatest single digit number plus 1 we get which answer? 10. That means smallest 2-digit number. Okay, that means greatest single digit number plus 1 we get that smallest 2-digit number. Smallest 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers. Okay, greatest single digit number plus 1 we get smallest 2-digit. Clear? The next one, here 99. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Okay, greatest 2-digit number plus 1 we get, here how many digit? 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many digit? Greatest 2-digit number plus 1 we get smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number. 3 digit. Okay. Next one. This one. Greatest 3-digit number plus 1. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay. Greatest 3-digit number plus 1 we get 1000. 1000 means smallest 4-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number plus 1 we get smallest 4-digit number. smallest 4-digit number. Okay, then here you tell me greatest 4-digit number plus 1. We get 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number, 5-digit number. Okay, 5-digit number. That means this, how many 0? 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. Okay, 1 followed by 4, 0. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Children, in this chapter, we are going to study about 5-digit numbers. Okay, we already learned 4-digit numbers in your previous classes. In this chapter, we are going to study about 5-digit number. That means greatest 4-digit number plus 1, we get smallest 5-digit number. Clear to you? Then, now we can discuss about 5-digit number. Okay, which way we want to read this name, which way we want to write these 5-digit numbers. Okay, are you ready? Children, now we can discuss 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. Five-digit numbers. Okay, which is the smallest 5-digit number? Which is the smallest 5-digit number? That means 1 followed by how many 0? Which is the smallest 2-digit number? 1 followed by 1 0. Which is the smallest 3-digit number? That means 1 followed by 2 0. Which is the smallest 3-digit number? 1 followed by 2 0. Which is the smallest 4-digit number? That means 1 followed by 3 0. Then here you tell me which is the smallest 5-digit number? Which is the smallest 5-digit number? 1 followed by 4 zeros. 1 followed by 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay. We can see the place value chart of this number. Place value chart. Before that, we already learned in your previous classes place value chart for the 4-digit numbers. We can see that. Okay. 4-digit numbers. Okay, that place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Do you remember this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, suppose here I wrote 3628. 3628. How many digits here? 4 digits. How many digits here? 4 digits. How to read this number name? How to read this number name? Okay, this number we can divide into 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. First part 1000. That is the first part. Okay, 4-digit numbers we can divide in 3 parts. First part 1000. Second part hundreds. Second part 100. Third part we can join this together. Okay, then tens and 1 place want to take together. Okay, first part 1000, second part 100, third part means tens and 1 together. Clear? This we already learned, but once again we can revise. Okay, then first part 1000, second part 100, then third part tens and 1s together. Okay, then now how to write this number name? Listen here. Here 1000 place, that means our first part 1000 place which number? 1000 place number 3. That means how many thousands here? How many thousand? 3,000. Okay, that means 3,000. Okay, second part. Which is the second part? Which is the second part? 100. Which is the second part? Hundreds place. Okay. Then how many 100 place which number here? 6. How many 100? 6. 6. This is which place? 100. Then 600. Then we already learned the last part. That means third part means what? Third part means tens and ones together. Here we already wrote 2 and 8. 2 and 8 means what? 28. Okay, tens and ones we want to read together. That means third part means what? 28. 28. 28. What is the spelling of thousand, children? THOUSAND. THOUSAND. Then 100. HUNDRED. Once again, HUNDRED. Then 20, 30, 20. TWENTY. 20. 8 EIGHT. Okay. Then here how many thousand? 3,000. Then how many hundred? 600. Then last two digit number, last two place. That means last number we want to read together. That means 28. Now you tell me what is this number name? 3,628. Clear? Very simple. We already know that place value chart. Ones, tens, 100,000. Just look, 1,000 place which number? 3. Then 3,000. 100 place which number? 6. That means 600. The last, listen here, last two digits together want to read. 28. Okay, that means 28 together 3,628. Okay, we can divide how many parts? 3 parts. First part is 1,000, second part is 100, the tens and ones together. These are the 3 parts. Okay, then one more. This is very simple. Then here 6, 8, 9, 4. Okay, these are the 4 digit number. Then look here, first place ones, then tens, then 100, then TH means thousands. Okay, then look here, which are the 3 parts? First part is 1,000, second part is 100, then third part means together, tens and ones together. Okay, that means 1,000 part which number? 6. That means 6,000. 6, this is 1,000 place, that means 6,000. Clear? Next part 100. Okay, that means how many? 100 place which number? 8. That means 800. And third part ones, tens and ones together. Okay, which number here? 94 means 94. 90 spelling NINE, 94. FOUR, 94. Now you come back. Then in this lesson we want to study about which topic? 5 digit number. Now we can see 5 digit number. Okay, how to write and how to read the 5 digit numbers. We already learned this room, ones room, tens room, hundreds room, then thousands room. Then we want new room. We want new room. Okay. The name of that room is 10,000. 10,000. Okay. Name of this room is 10,000. Thousand. Okay, we already know ones room, tens room, hundreds room, then thousands room. Okay, now we got new room. New room. That room. What is the name of that room? 10,000. Once again, 10,000. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then 10,000. Okay. Then here I will write your smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Okay, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? 1 followed by 4 zeros. Okay, then here we already learned, okay, how many part we can divide place values, how many part we can divide? 3 part. Okay, there is no change, 3 part. First part is 1000. That means 10,000 and 1,000 together we want to take. Okay, this both 1,000's family. Clear to you? This also 10,000. This also 1,000. This you take together. Okay, then this is first part. Then second part 100. Okay, then third part. Third part means tens and ones together. Okay, tens and ones together. That means, okay, tens and ones together. This is the third part. Once again, 1,000 and 10,000 together. This is the first part. Second part 100. Third part tens and ones together. Then how to read this name? Listen here. Children, this is in 1,000 family. Okay, 10,000 and 1,000 we want to take together. This is in 1,000 family. Then next one, this is in 100. This is in third part. That means tens and ones together. Okay, this family you take. Here which is the number? Here which is the number? 1 and 0. 1 and 0 means what? 10. Which number? 10. Okay, 1 and 0 means what? That is 10. Okay, that means we already learned this is in 1,000 family. That family name also you write here. Then 10, this is which family? 1,000. Then you write 1,000. Okay, 1,000. 10,000. Then 100. This part you look here. Here have any number? No. Then tens and ones. Here you look any number? No. That means what is this number name? 10,000. I hope you understand. Once again, tens and ones together. Then another part is 100. Then 1,000 families together. That means here which number? 10. Okay. Here which number? 0. Here also 0, 0. After you give name 10. 10 means which family? 1,000. Then you write 10,000. Here also 0. Here also 0. Okay. That means 10,000. Children, now we can see one more example. Okay. 5, 6, 3, 7, 2. Okay, here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. We can see how to read this number. Okay, then first place ones, second place tens, then third place 100, then fourth place 1,000. Then next our new room. Name, what is the name of this room? 10,000. 10,000 means 10,000. Okay. TTH 10,000. Okay. Listen here. Then we already separate that 3 part. Okay. First part is in 1,000 family. Okay. First part is in 1,000 family. That means 10,000, 1,000 together. That is in one family. Then second part is in 100. Then third part tens and ones together. Okay, first part 1,000 family. That means 5, 6 together. Then second part 100. Then third part tens and ones. Okay, now very simple. Then just you look 1,000 family. Okay, here which is the number? Here which is the number? 56. 56. Okay, F, you can 56, F, I, F, 50. 6. Yes, 56. This is which number? 56. This is which family? 1000. That family also you write here 1000. Okay. 56,000. The next family you take. Which family? 100. Okay, there is which number? 3. Okay, that means 300. That name also you want to write 100. Then last one together. Last two place together. Then tens and ones together. 300. We can write in words 300. T-H-R-E-E. 300. 100 spelling H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 300. And last part. This is which number? 76. No, don't write 72. That is wrong. Together want to read. That means 72. 70. Yes. E-V-E-N-T-Y. 72. Okay, very simple. Okay, first family, name of the first family 1000. That means 56,000. Second name of the second family 100. That means 300. The last part together 72. That means number name of this number 56,372. Very simple. I hope you understand how to read the number name of 5-digit numbers. Dear children, I hope you understand how to write name of 5-digit numbers. Okay, here I give you some homework. Okay, write the number names. First A, 1, 2, 3, 6, 4. These are the 5-digit numbers. Then B, 4, 2, 6, 1, 3. Okay, these are the next 5-digit. Then last one, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2. These are the last 2 5-digit numbers. Okay, thank you.